Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm out now testing a dead cat for the audio, and it's a very windy day today, so this is going to be a good test to see how this works for the audio. I also turned the gain off and put the auto leveler on. Let's see if that helps at all. But that's going to be it, just a little test. See how this works out. Okay, just had to pull over and readjust the microphone because it fell out of its little perching spot. And I guess this is a sign that I shouldn't make videos because I can't seem to catch a break. But we will soon see. Alright, now I'm going to head up through this neighborhood, get up to the 1431, which I can get up to speed, and see how that works. Okay, here we go. Testing my dead cat. Testing my dead cat, yeah! Possible to lose weight in your head. I haven't had a haircut in a while, and my helmet feels a little bit loose. See, look at those flags going. It's windy out. Whoa. Okay, so here's a big test. I'm really dancing with the wind here. It's interesting. Let's see when I get home how this works out. And I'll go over. If it works, it'll be great. And I'll make a video over the settings that I used. I don't have my windshield up though. It's down on its low point, low setting rather. So it's blowing wind right into the helmet. So it's a good test. So today is March 5th, I believe, Friday. So happy Friday, everybody. Friday's coming up soon, so just hang in there. So I have some wheel tape coming, some red wheel tape, and I think it has some black accents along the tape for my tires, for the rims, I should say, not the tires. But that should be coming soon, because I got the bar end, so hopefully that'll show up not too far in the future, and I can put that on there. And that'll complete, I think, my red accenting of the bike. I don't want any more. The bike, once that's done, I think the bike will be complete as far as colors go, from my opinion. The only other thing that'll change is eventually an exhaust. Probably get a black, the Akropovich exhaust, which is black. The one I currently have is all chromed out, the big original from the factory chrome one, which is very quiet, which is nice if you want a quiet bike for touring. But for me, most of my riding is just for fun and ripping around Greater Austin, so I'd like to have a little bit more sound. I think when I'm done with the red accents, I believe this bike will be looking like Darth Vader. Yeah, someone messaged me the other day and asked for me to put a link for this cell phone holder thing, and there's a link for it. It's in the comment, kind of that comment section that's underneath videos. It's underneath the video where I did the walk around in my very first video that I posted. You can see the link for that if you have this bike and are interested in getting this. Because it's weird, like right underneath this is the BMW emblem, which is, obviously the companies like to show that off, but they put that big GPS holder right in front of it so you can't even see it. And there is a kit. I think the YouTuber, his name is Grumpy Goat, I believe. I've watched quite a few of his videos, and apologies if that's not the right one, but I think he had a video where he did there's an aftermarket setup where you can move this GPS system up here behind the windscreen above your TFT, which gets it out of the way, and you can clean up your handlebars, and then also it puts the GPS, I think, in a better position. Like when you're riding, you don't have to look down as far. So like if I'm riding and I need to know where I'm going right now, I have to actually tilt my head down to look at the screen of my mobile phone. So with it up here, all you have to do is just kind of tweak your eyes down a little bit, and you can see it. Whereas this one, I have to actually move my head and eyes, which obviously is not as safe. All right, well, that's going to conclude our ride for the day. And I really hope this little dead cat worked, because it is very frustrating to go out and shoot these videos and come back home to do editing and realize that your audio is complete garbage. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.